did we get into this? Oh god. Did I tell you Jenna was for dinner?
Yeah. We're not actually having dinner. We're just going for drinks. I'm not in charge of their food.
Okay.
I'm really in charge of the alcohol. Hello?
Why are you in charge of alcohol?
Because you think they're gonna pay.
Clara, no.
Yeah, but are they
I'm not
gonna
letting you
pay?
do that.
But are they gonna pay?
Then we go out. Pay for your own fucking drinks.
Yeah, because when they're drunk, they're so good.
No, make them pay first before they're drunk. Or give them give you a $75 first.
I'm just gonna be like, I brought $50. That's it. That's the amount I'm gonna.
And then when it's late, you'll be like, bye guys, I've got a journey
But
tomorrow
you know
morning.
me, I can't.
She's got a journey.
I told my mom. She's like, can we go? And I'm like, where? Oh yeah, I know where it is. Okay. You really want me? I want no. I'm just wondering if Shred's coming too. Because I asked her to go be over that. I know, sure, why not? But like, with this, she can or not.
See, the thing is, I will call and meet them and I'll be if Rob was there. Actually, I would know what's going on. I just don't know whether I'm allowed to go at night.
I seriously don't think he's not like he's not the anything, you know.
He's not the man to me.
He's just part of your journey, whatever.
You're saying he's too childish for me.
Not childish, just not right.
Just that he's wrong.
In
Just so many
800
issues that
meters,
it covers.
turn left.
I know. That's the thing, you know. Not a lot, but like a few people, like you guys, a lot, but like you guys aren't right for each other. Like he's too bad for you. I just want
It's not
you.
he's too bad. It's
Yeah,
just
but like it's like not right and stuff. I just want to like not see you guys for long, but like I just
I
want
get
to
it.
fight over that. It's
But
like
like there's a point where you fight till you're so exhausted or
I know, but
like you shouldn't be this disappointed. Or like, you know,
yeah, but like for now, I don't mind
yeah,
fighting for like a moment, right? But if it doesn't work out,
for that.
In 200 meters, turn
yeah,
left.
I don't know that we go out to that late because nobody's gonna catch me.
I actually, you know what? I think it's better if I
Because he was supposed to catch me.
Turn left.
He even said he would come. He even said he did.
Our systems haven't, like, it hasn't changed. It's just he's on a pause of supply.
Yeah, but if we do, we're not.
I know.
And that literally is happening. Okay, technically I'm back in on 23rd. Your thing is on 29th. You think we're gonna figure this shit out in like 5 days? Exactly. I have
Yes, you would. Honestly, if you guys talk about it every step of the way, like, your branding is literally communication.
my branding.
Yes.
What do you mean by branding?
Your motto, your, like, life advice, you know what I mean? Communication. But then, like, you
I
don't
never
do
put it
this
on
shit.
myself. Okay, that's the.
Like, I was
My
reading this
views.
thing and they were like, oh, you, like, if you keep telling someone else your problems instead of listening to have your problems, like, what, like, it's not gonna end well. And I'm like, bitch, yes. Because, like, what's the point of telling me, right? Because I'm not the person with this officer.
Because you're my best friend.
I know, but it doesn't help that you're only telling me.
I don't want to just keep telling him because then I'll see him
But
like a
he's-
fucking
but-
bitch. Okay, I
But
get
it
it.
is a problem.
Like we're not. We can't communicate now, can we?
Well, it was, maybe if you did before that, it wouldn't
In
have gone this
800
bad.
meters, turn left.
Because y'all don't talk like about shit. And I'm also very surprised that you guys don't talk about things. Just like
We do talk.
issues or not issues.
We do talk.
It's like all these issues with kind, but then you guys don't talk about it, so it's just like a big
Okay, well he Negative.
No, he'll get like a 2
Negative.
out of 10.
Negative.
No, it's not that bad. At least he replied.
No.
Negative would
Oh.
be if he like said like
Okay. What he said here was
fine.
it was really. Wait, what made me think that he's stuck here? Fucking Billie Eilish. Hang on. How about search the message? Search the.
What?
No, no, no. I'm trying to search for what he said.
No, you have to just type it.
Really?
Like type the word, not
I did. It's not coming out.
maybe it's not the exact word. All you guys say was good morning and good night.
This was before. This was him explaining to me about
What is it about?
Alicia, the screenshot.
Did you talk to this already?
Yeah, yeah. Did I tell you?
You're just like, who said? I'm like, I don't know. She's like,
But he kept explaining it. He kept, and I'm just like, oh, man. So long one, like, really interesting. That was that one time when I was like, wow, your response is on point for once. I don't think I did show you. Like, oh no, this is not about Alicia.
Oh, okay.
What he showed me, what he said about Alicia, he was like, it's pretty nice. It was pretty nice of him to say that. That's the thing. The 30 minutes, he did. She goes, you know, I'm more young. What are you scared of? 30 minutes after, like, I'm not shy about like. That's what I think. Okay, well, I will. We talk about the morning and good night. That's just those days. Some days we do ask what I do.
Is it responding?
Because what he replied was like kind of
Yes.
that one tapping point.
Curious the message. Wait, that's sexy. Oh,
Is it just Carrie?
hello. Wow. Am I on speaker first? Good. Better not put me on speaker. I don't want to hear that lady talk. What? She's the one being mean. You know what she said? Oh, I know you're going down because yeah, if I tell her the truth, like she won't kill me more, right? Might as well not say anything. What? Hi, Split. This is chilling. Carrie, you're muffling your voice, by the way. Are you just telling me the stories that I usually hear back home? Okay, bye. Carrie, I hate phone calls with you. You sound weird. Okay. Okay. He's probably just missing his favorite person.